Flow will trigger when form is submitted and get all the response using Get Response Details action. Add all the responses in Excel worksheet using Add a row into table action. Now fetch the last row added in Excel using Get a row action. Now populate the Word template using the Populate a Microsoft Word template action. Now create the doc file and convert it to PDF. User will fill the form and submit it. Responses of form will add to the Excel file. Word document is populated from Excel file. PDF of the Word document is created.